Hey everyone, what is going on? I just wanted to film this video real quick today because something awesome happened over the weekend, and that is the channel hit 350 subs and broke 250,000 total views, and that's awesome. So normally I'd be working today, hurt my back Friday, so taking off just to finish healing up. But I wanted to show you some stuff that's going on. Most of it's for the caliber, but I got a few Stratus updates here. Repainting those with the color wrap. The Stratus itself is going pretty good. I just stopped by the Mitsubishi dealership earlier today to grab all the little washers that go in here and the plastic cover that goes from here back to the plenum. This is pretty much shaved off. I'm working on a video just for this. I'm going to shave it and paint it and install it. Got a tow hitch for the caliber. This one was like $100. That'll be a video. I'm talking to the company right now because, as you can see, this Warren receiver doesn't really slide in there too well. And as you can see, I tried grinding a little bit, and like it's tight. So I don't know. I think their weld is off here. I mean, look how crooked that is. So I'm either going to have to return this one or grind it out and maybe get a partial refund or something like that. But this is what's going on for the caliber, for the tow hook. Also picked up an SRT4 sway bar from a Caliber SRT4. It's the OEM one. That one's 18 millimeter, and I think the RT I measured at 15 millimeter. So a little bit of an upgrade. So that's good. The Stratus. So you got some tape down here and over on this side, because putting on some color match paint to cover up the Porter 15. And other than that, the caliber wheels just got dropped off, or my buddy actually picked them up to be powder coated. Rocco's Automotive. He does all types of welding and powder coat and stuff like that. So I ordered the tires, gave him the wheels, picked the color. You won't see the color until the wheels are done, and I go and pick them up. But that's what's going on. Car's pretty much getting there. I still have yet to put the power steering tank on, the Mishimoto one. This guy here, not too big of a deal. I'm more concerned about getting the valve cover on there and not leaking. Worst case scenario, I just put the gasket in some like Honda Bond RTV on it and put the old one back in, or I'll have time to get this one painted in. So that's where I'm going with all this stuff. Just a little update. I'm super happy to hit 350 already, and awesome that I broke the 250,000 total view mark. So keep it up, everyone. I have a little idea for a giveaway when I'm at the show next month. Well, June. So yeah, about a month. It's tomorrow, the 30th. So May's coming right up, or April's coming right up, and then we'll be in May. Or June, May. I can't even think of my days straight here. Yeah, so May is coming up. Show will be after that. And I have a little idea. So hope you guys like the video so far. Thank you for everyone getting me this far. I'm going to pick away at some small stuff today that's not really, I believe, content worthy. Unless I go and install this, I'll keep you guys posted. So thank you for the support, everyone. Really happy. I'm really working to hit 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and we're going pretty good. So if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. I'm also going to link my Instagram down there because some people have found my Instagram. I never really linked the two. I'll put my Instagram down below. I only have one, so it's personal and car related. So if people post stupid shit, I'm just going to delete you. But sometimes it's easier to ask questions on there It's easier to get a hold of me that way than posting in the YouTube comments. So it's just, I'll just leave it down below. It's just Raging Sun. And like the video. Give me a thumbs up. And I'm going to keep working. Keep making videos for you. Till next time.